Hi, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to save data in Word format to a PDF document. I am Jahfari, welcome. If you find the video to be helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. And without further ado, let's jump straight to it. Here we have a Word document which we'll be converting to PDF. This process can be done in a few steps as follows. Hit File tab, then Save As, then select the area in which we would like to save our PDF document. In my case, I'll be saving my document to the desktop. The next step is to name our file, followed by one of the most important steps, which is to change our Save As file type here. So we'll change our file type from being a Word document to a PDF document, and we select that. Next, there are two options. We can save our file as a standard file size if we wish to print, or we can save as a minimum file size if we wish to just keep it online. I will save as a minimum file size, and our next step is to hit save. Hit save, and that's it. Our Word document converted to a PDF document. And that's it for our video on how to save information from a Word document into PDF. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. And thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.